Hi you guys, okay, I'm going to do my Panda compact dryer unboxing. I got this a few days ago, and hi Lacey. Sorry for my being in the robe, but that's just the way it's going to be. My washing machine should be here next week, I'm guessing. Okay. I don't know how heavy this thing is. Get this stuff out of here. That make it easier to get this out of the box. Ooh, this is heavy, you guys. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, really? Oh, you guys. Duh. Here we go, ready? Yeah, I'm trying to lift it out and all I have to do is lift the damn box, huh? Okay. Yay! Look how cute it is! Oh, look! Oh, that's actually pretty big in there. That's really good size. Have the instructions here. And then ventilation stuff. Yeah. Leave that stuff in there for now. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh, this is going to be so exciting. Get to do laundry from the comfort of my apartment. That is what I am talking about. Alrighty. Owner registration. Then instructions on how to installation, parts and features. Alright you guys, I'm going to turn the camera off for now, upload this video, sit down with a bowl of some sativa, and I am going to read this instruction manual, because that's what females do when we buy electronics or any kind of appliances. A lot of us will actually read the manuals. I know guys will just throw this away or throw it in a drawer and forget about it, but I have to read it or I'll never figure out how to do everything, set it all up, or all that kind of stuff. Alright you guys. Bye for now.